With Windy City Wire's kit building feature, you're able to utilize custom smart kits to streamline your projects and simplify small parts management. Begin by visiting windycitywire.com and logging in with your account credentials. Then select Kit Builder under the Tools section of the main navigation, where you will find all your company's kits organized by My Smart Kits, Company Smart Kits, and the Create Smart Kits selections. My Smart Kits will list all of the kits you make and save. From here, you can add an existing kit to your cart for quick ordering. You can also edit, clone, delete, export, print, or email a kit to any of the members of your team. Company Smart Kits is where you will find your master kits, as well as all other kits created by members of your team. Master kits serve as a library of standard or customized smart kits for your team to either default to, duplicate, or use for similar projects. The Company Smart Kits section allows you to view and copy kits created by other team members when doing equivalent jobs, allowing for faster creation of kits. This provides consistency and efficiency for your teams. Create Smart Kits launches the interface to build a completely new kit. Fill in all required fields and toggle the slider if you choose to add this kit to your company's kit lists. Then select categories to filter product offerings or use the search function to look for a specific part. You can also favorite parts or click on the info icon to view that product's details. We offer hundreds of commonly used items, but can also add new items your team needs by simply contacting your sales rep. Add the quantity for each item you'd like included in your kit. As you add items, the contents of your kit builds in the area on the right of the page, and your progress is auto-saved as you work. When you're done building your kit, click Save Kit, and it will be added to your cart. The cart icon in the navigation bar allows you to view the items within your cart or proceed to checkout. When viewing your cart, you will have the option to clear the cart, request pricing, create a list, add to favorites, or email the cart to a purchasing member of your team. If you have purchasing credentials, you may click on Proceed to Checkout to complete the ordering process. When Windy City Wire receives your kit order, it's processed by our team. All parts are pulled from inventory, counted, and verified. Then each custom smart kit is built and sealed with a security sticker, palleted, and shipped to your warehouse or job site location, giving your team all necessary parts needed to complete their installation.